Welcome to Introspect Wellness.
Here at Introspect Wellness, we offer a variety of neuromodulators. Botox would be the most commonly known, but we do offer some other ones. There are a number of things that they can be used for: wrinkle reduction, migraine reduction, softening wrinkles, relaxing facial muscles, things like that. It gives you a more relaxed appearance. It can help you appear more youthful over time. We see a great reduction in most people's what we call a static wrinkle or a static line. So that would be a line that is present even when you're not making an expression. We do love to cater to our man patients, so we give them the Botox, which is a lot of fun. They notice generally a large reduction in headaches and migraines. Being treated with neuromodulators is considered a lunchtime procedure, so there really is no downtime. You'll notice effects in about 7 to 10 days with most of our neuromodulators that we use. So it's a very quick procedure. You come in 15, 30 minutes and you get a great result that lasts for 3 to 6 months. We try to customize every treatment to every patient that comes in, and we're looking forward to seeing you.
Book your consultation today and discover the difference that advanced skincare can make.